Hi, my name is Sandy Green and welcome to my introductory video. A little bit of background about myself is I studied music education at the University of Nebraska at Kearney and earned a Bachelor of Arts in Music Education in December of 1988. Since then I've been an instrumental and vocal music teacher of all levels, K through 12. Currently, I teach beginning and intermediate bands at 4 elementary schools for Colorado Springs School District 11 in Colorado Springs. I've taught in Colorado Springs District 11 for 13 years, and I've lived in Colorado Springs for the past 18 years. Personal goals, currently, I am single again, and so I am kind of I've been busy reconnecting with friends, single friends, and hoping to find love again. My professional goals, I have recently applied for a music administrator position at my school district and hoping for a possibility of an interview. I chose Fort Hays State because I lived in the Hays, Kansas area several years ago. I taught band in Oakley and Kinsley, Kansas, and lived in Kansas for roughly around 8 years. And I took continuing education classes at Fort Hays State. I chose Fort Hays State because just because of the good reputation and the quality experience that I had as a former student, and also because of the low cost. Also, I thought it was very reasonable for a master's degree. My initial expectation of this program is to have a greater understanding and training of the detailed work involved to be a quality principal in the school districts. And I believe that I will receive that training. Thank you for the opportunity. Thanks for watching my video and have a wonderful day.